Welcome to the channel, guys. So this is the diffuser which I made a video about last week, and this is it on the car. So this is on my pre-facelift Volvo C30. It's a 2009 model, and I say it looks pretty darn decent. Now don't forget, this kit comes with an LED light with a bracket, but I didn't fit the LED light. If you watch the first video you'll see why. And ended up fitting this just to the bottom of the rear bumper, just with 4 cell tappers and 1 plastic nut and bolt which came with the kit. And it's done 110 mile round trip on the motorway recently and stayed in place nicely. I did mention in the first video that these bolts are going to rust, and already, as you can see, nice bit of surface rust on there. Now to fit this kit, I used the holes that are already mounted in the diffuser and just drilled into the underside of the bumper. And I basically held it in place. I made a pilot hole, which was this one here. You see the pilot holes I made originally that were way out of place. And then held it in place and then drilled through the remaining holes. And like I say, there are 5 self-tappers. I can't see a bloody thing here. Yeah, 5 self-tappers like this one. And then I did 1 plastic nut and bolt right through. So if you watched the first video, you'll know I bought this kit from a guy named Luke Rastall, and again in the description I'll drop all his social media accounts so you can jump on there if you want to buy one. Now Luke has said for now this kit will be available for £85 including postage within the UK, which I think is an absolute steal. And once again, it does come with an LED F1 style light. If you want to fit that, then happy days. I've chosen not to. Now, a few points I made in the first video with the bracket for the F1 LED light wasn't very good, which is one of the reasons I didn't fit it. So Luke has said to me since then he's going to be providing a different bracket which is much more substantial. Now, another thing I mentioned in the first video was the black nuts and bolts were going to rust straight away, and which they did, like I just showed you then. And he's also said he's going to swap them out for some stainless steel nuts and bolts as well, which again is fantastic news, which means the kit you'll be getting if you order one will be better than the kit I've got now. Obviously, I'm going to swap out those black nuts and bolts for stainless steel ones in the future. And I don't think, to be honest with you, even if I find a different bracket, I'm going to fit that LED light, as I like how it looks as it is. I don't think it's overkill. So I said in the first video, I'm going to fit some gold struts to the diffuser, which you'll see here in the corner of your screen. And I said also I'm going to fit some stickers to the outer fins, which I'll show you here as well. I just ordered these. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be honest with you. It might be a bit overkill. If you think I should or shouldn't fit the struts or the stickers, please drop a comment in the comment section. Now, the final thing to mention here, guys, is when you're modifying your car, make sure you let your insurance company know, because if you have an accident or your car is stolen and it's found to have modifications that aren't declared, they kind of in fact refuse to pay out for your insurance, any insurance claims. So it's important you do that. Now, I declared this to my insurance company the second I fitted it, and it put an extra, I think it was £2 a month on my policy, which really isn't the end of the world, so it's definitely worthwhile doing, just in case the worst should happen. So we're going to finish up now with some good pictures of the finished product on the car, so you can see what it looks like on a pre-facelift Volvo C30. Of course, if you've got a different car, like a facelift Volvo C30, it'll look differently. And like I said in the first video, this will probably fit most cars out there that doesn't have a centre exit exhaust pipe. So you can get a rough idea what it might look like on another car, but, you know, realistically, it's going to look different on every different model it goes on to. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep watching more videos. Alright, guys, take care.